Now see, roots or solutions of a quadratic equation. Any value of the variable which when substituted in quadratic equation makes the left hand side of the equation equal to its right hand side is called as root of the quadratic equation. See student, remember, any value which is substituted in left hand side of the quadratic equation and left hand side will become equal to right hand side, then that value is called as root or solution of a quadratic equation. Question number 1. In each of the examples given below, determine whether the values given against each of quadratic equation are the root of equations or not. For example, question number 2, 4m square minus 9 is equals to 0. This is the given equation. And we have three values of m. m is equals to 2, 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 2. Now we have to check whether these are the root of quadratic equations or not. Now let us start with the first value. By putting m is equals to 2 in LHS, if you get LHS is equals to RHS, then we can say m is equals to 2 is the root of quadratic equation. So by putting m is equals to 2 in LHS, we get 4 into 2 the whole square minus 9. 2 square is 4. So 4 into 4, 16 minus 9 is equals to 7. And this is not equal to RHS. That means LHS is not equal to RHS. So we can say equation is not satisfied by the value m is equals to 2. So 2 is not the root of given quadratic equation. See, in this way we can find whether it is root of quadratic equation or not. We have to put m is equals to 2 upon 3 in LHS. So LHS will become 4 into 2 upon 3 the whole square minus 9. 2 upon 3 the whole square will become 4 upon 9. Now see student, 4 into 4 will become 16 upon 9 minus 9. Now by cross multiplication you will get 16 minus 81 upon 9, which is equals to minus 65 upon 9. And this is not equals to RHS. So we can have LHS not equals to RHS. That means this equation is not satisfied. So m is 2 upon 3, not root of the given quadratic equation. We have one more value. That is by putting m is equals to 2 upon 3 in LHS, 3 upon 2 in LHS, we get 4 into 3 upon 2 the whole square minus 9. That is 4 into 9 upon 4 minus 9. 4 get cancelled. That means 9 minus 9, which is equals to 0. So LHS is equals to RHS. That means we can say the equation is satisfied by 3 upon 2 value. So 3 upon 2 is the root of given quadratic equation. Question number 3. Again same question, we have to find whether these given values are root of quadratic equation or not. So the given equation is x square plus 5x minus 14 is equals to 0. And the values given are x is equals to root 2 minus 7, 3. So let us start with first value. By putting x is equals to root 2 in LHS, we get root 2 square plus 5 into root 2 minus 14. Root 2 square 2. So you will get 2 plus 5 root 2 minus 14. 2 minus 14 will become minus 12. So 5 root 2 minus 12, and it is not equals to RHS. That means we can say LHS is not equals to RHS. The equation, thus the equation is not satisfied. Therefore, root 2 is not the root of given quadratic equation. Now see the second value. By putting x is equals to minus 7 in LHS, we get minus 7 the whole square plus 5 into minus 7 minus 14. Instead of x we have to place minus 7. Minus 7 the whole square will become 49 plus 5 into minus 7 minus 35 minus 40. Now see student, minus 35 minus 14 will become minus 49. So 49 minus 49 is 0, which is equals to RHS. That means LHS is equals to RHS. Thus the equation is satisfied. So minus 7 is the root of given quadratic equation. See, in this way, by putting the value of variable in LHS, if LHS is equals to RHS, then we can say that value is the root of given quadratic equation. See, next value. By putting x is equals to 3 in LHS, we get 3 square plus 5 into 3 minus 40. 3 square is 9, 5 3s are 15. 9 plus 15, 24. 24 minus 14, 10, which is not equals to RHS. That means LHS is not equals to RHS. Thus the equation is not satisfied. So we can say 3 is not root of given quadratic equation. See one more question. Question number 4. 2p plus 5p minus 3 is equals to 0. Given equation, and in this equation 2p square plus 5p minus 3 is equals to 0, and in this equation we have p is equals to 1, 1 upon 2 and minus 3. So by putting p is equals to 1 in LHS, we get 2 into 1 square plus 5 into 1 minus 3. 1 square is 1, so 2 into 1, 2 plus 5 minus 3. That is 7 minus 3 is equals to 4, which is not equals to RHS. That means LHS is not equal to RHS. Thus the equation is not satisfied. So 1 is not root of given quadratic equation. See the next value. By putting p is equals to 1 by 2 in LHS, we get 2 into 1 by 2 the whole square plus 5 into 1 by 2 minus 3. So 1 by 2 the whole square will become 1 upon 4. So 2 into 1 upon 4 plus 5 into 1 upon 2 minus 3. 2 into 1 upon 4 will become 1 upon 2 plus 5 upon 2 minus 3. See, denominator 2 same. So 1 plus 5, 6 upon 2 minus 3. 6 upon 2 will become 3. 3 minus 3 is equals to 0. That means LHS is equals to RHS. Thus the equation is satisfied. So 1 upon 2 is the root of given quadratic equation. Now lastly we have to put p is equals to minus 3 in LHS. So 2 into minus 3 the whole square plus 5 into minus 3 minus 3. Minus 3 square is 9. Remember, plus 9. So 2 into 9 plus 5 into minus 3 minus 15. 2 into 9 is 18 minus 18, which is equals to 0 and equals to RHS. That means LHS is equals to RHS. Thus equation is satisfied. So minus 3 is the root of given quadratic equation. In each of the examples given below, determine whether the values given against each of the quadratic equation are the roots of equation or not. See, in that we will start with question number 2. 25x square minus 36 is equals to 0. And the value of x are given 2, 6 upon 5 and minus 6 upon 5. So let us start with first by putting x is equals to 2 in LHS we get 25 into 2 square minus 36. 2 square is 4, so 25 into 4, 25 4s are 100 and 100 minus 36 is 64, which is not equals to RHS. Thus equation is not satisfied, so x is equals to 2 is not root of given quadratic equation. Now see the next one. By putting x is equals to 6 upon 5 in LHS we get LHS 25 into 6 upon 5 the whole square. See, 6 upon 5 the whole square will become 36 upon 25. 25 get cancelled, that means 36 minus 36 is equals to 0, which is equals to RHS. That means LHS is equals to RHS, thus the equation is satisfied. So 6 upon 5 is the root of given quadratic equation. We have one more value, so by putting x is equals to minus 6 upon 5 in LHS we get 25 into minus 6 upon 5 the whole square minus 36. See, minus 6 upon 5 it will become square after square plus. So 25 into 36 upon 25 minus 36 minus 36. 25 get cancelled, 36 minus 36 will become 0, which is equals to RHS. So LHS is equals to RHS, thus the equation is satisfied. That means minus 6 upon 5 is the root of given quadratic equation. Question number 3. X square minus 7x minus 18 is equals to 0 and the value of x given are root 3 minus 2, 4. Now we have to check whether these are the roots of the given quadratic equation or not. So by putting x is equals to root 3 in LHS we get root 3 whole square minus 7 into root 3 minus 18. Root 3 square is 3 minus 7 root 3 minus 18. Now see, 3 minus 18 will become minus 15. Minus 15 minus 7 root 3. We cannot add minus 15 minus 7 because rational and irrational number. So this is not equals to RHS. That means LHS is not equals to RHS. Thus the equation is not satisfied. So root 3 is not root of given quadratic equation. See the next one. By putting x is equals to minus 2 in LHS we get minus 2 whole square minus 7 into minus 2 minus 18. So minus 2 square is 4. Minus 7 into minus 2, 40. So 4 plus 14, 18. 18 minus 18 is 0. So LHS is equals to RHS. Thus the equation is satisfied. That means we can say minus 2 is the root of given quadratic equation. Now see, we have one more value, that is x is equals to 4. By putting x is equals to 4 in LHS we get 4 square minus 7 into 4 minus 18. 4 square 16. 7 minus 7 into 4 28 minus 18. So we have 16 minus 46, that is minus 30, which is not equals to RHS. Thus LHS is not equals to RHS. Equation is not satisfied. So 4 is not the root of given quadratic equation. If one root of quadratic equation 3y square minus ky plus 8 is equals to 0 is 2 upon 3, then find the value of k. See, root of the equation is given, that means this value satisfy the given equation. So it satisfy the given equation, that means we have to put y is equals to 2 upon 3. Substituting y is equals to 2 upon 3 in the equation, we have 3 into 2 upon 3 the whole square minus k into 2 upon 3 plus 8. Now solve this bracket. 2 upon 3 square, it will become 4 upon 9. K into 2 upon 3, 2k upon 3. Now 3 into 4 will give 12 upon 9 minus 2k upon 3 plus 8. Now first we will make the denominator same. So you will get denominator as 9 and in numerator we have 12 minus 6k plus 72 is equals to 0. By cross multiplication, see, 0 into 9 will become 0. So we have minus 6k, 72 plus 12, 84. Plus 84 will become minus 84. So k is equals to 84 upon 6, that is k is equals to 14. So we have k is equals to 14. See, the root of equation is given. That means that value satisfy the given equation. So we have answer value of k 14. State whether k is the root of given equation y square minus k minus 4 into y minus 4k. We have to check whether k is the root of this equation or not. That means substituting y is equals to k in LHS, we get k square minus k minus 4 into k minus 4k. Solve the bracket. K square minus k into k square minus 4, and this minus outside the bracket gives minus minus plus 4k. So k square, k minus k square get cancelled, 4k minus 4k get cancelled. We have 0 which is equals to RHS. So we can say equation is satisfied. So k is the root of given quadratic equation y square minus into bracket k minus 4 into y minus 4k is equals to 0. State whether x is equals to minus k upon 2 is the root of quadratic equation 2x square plus k minus 6 into x minus 3k is equals to 0. See, we have to check whether x is equals to minus k upon 2 is the root of equation or not. So substituting x is equals to minus k upon 2 in LHS, we get 2 into minus k upon 2 the whole square plus k minus 6 into k minus 2 minus 3k. Now solve the bracket. We get 2 into k square upon 4. Now we can multiply by k minus k. You will get k square plus 6k upon 2 minus 3k. So see, k square upon 2 plus minus k square plus 6k upon 2 minus 3k. So k square minus k square plus 6k upon 2, k square get cancelled. We have 6k upon 2 minus 3k, that is by cross multiplication or by dividing 6 and 2 we will have 3k. 3k minus 3k is 0. So this is equals to RHS, that means LHS is equals to RHS, thus the equation is satisfied. So minus k upon 2 is the root of given quadratic equation. See, you have to check whether these values satisfy the given quadratic equation or not.